This is the expedition with me, Ebrimi Jatta, traveling to discover and explore the charming outlook of this Malian coast.
I'm Lucia. I'm Sarah. And we love Gambia!
Now it's summer and moments to discover the great outdoors. This week we join a group of students from Slovenia on a summer camp expedition in the Gambia. "19 students camping to discover the beauty and charming nature of this Malian coast. Summer camping for life. That's the expedition coming up when we return in just a moment.
Everybody. And now, what's this? Which animal is this? Dog. Dog. It's a dog. It's barking. And which animal is this? Frog. Frog. And which animal is this? Cat. And what does a cat do? And which animal is this? Cat. And what does a cat do? Rabbit. And what does he do? Let's jump like a rabbit. Now let's swim like a fish. And which animal is this? Tiger. Let's roar like a tiger. And this one? Let's jump like an elephant. Everybody. Jump like an elephant. And which animal is this? Rooster. Let's say it. Rooster. And now, what's this? And what does a boy do? Dance. Yes, let's dance.
My name is Petra. My first time in Africa. It's amazing. I love it. It's really hot, but okay, I don't mind it anymore. I'm a preschool teacher in Slovenia, and I wanted to come here to see what is the preschool looks here, and the children are amazing. Yes, their energy and the smiles, and it's just amazing.
What is this? It's yellow.
Yellow.
Sun. called Nash. Sun Monica? Nash. Very good.
What is the color of the sun?
What is the color? What is the color? Very good girl. Yellow color. Very good. Very good girl. Yellow.
What is this?
Now what about this one? This one. Yes, green is there. What is this? No. This guy wants to say it in Mandinka. He said fiber. No, it's corn. The corn. Again. Again. Very good. Very good.
What is the color of the corn? Huh?
What is the color of the corn? Huh? Yellow color. Very good. Yellow color. Very good. The color of the corn is yellow color.
Now we're back again on the expedition with me, Ebrimi Jatta, traveling to discover and explore the charming outlook of this smiling coast. Now it's summer and time to discover the great outdoors, a beautiful environment and nature blooming in great diversity. Now during this time, hundreds of students from Europe journey to different places around the world for summer camping and volunteering activities. One such group is here in the Gambia from Slovenia. A group of 19 students who are journeying to the Smiling Coast for the first time. They're here working with children and young people in our schools across the country.
Hello, my name is Sara. I come from Slovenia. We are here as volunteers in Gambia. We are enjoying and having fun. The people are really nice and kind, and we love the seaside and the children, and so we are enjoying ourselves. Yeah, we are, but we are getting used to it, so it's really nice, yes. It's okay.
I can do Africa now.
Yeah. Well, it was a shock. I would like to come back, and I think that we are just we just came, so we are fourth day or fifth here. So we are staying for a month.
On her first ever visit to Africa, Sarah joins 18 Slovenian students on a summer camp trip in the Gambia. It's summer and time to explore the natural perfection of Lucia's surroundings. Destination Gambia holds enticing fascinations that fully come to sprightly life during summer. The beauty of welcoming environments, perpetual smiles, and nature in constant bloom. That's the experience these students decided to share. A meaningful and lively discovery of the Smiling Coast made better by volunteering towards children's education.
In 3 days, we are almost the best friends. So
They are so
Do you
sweet.
remember some of their names?
yes,
Tell me, let's go.
Mariama,
Mariama,
Aisha, Mohammed, yes, Amanda,
Amanda.
I don't know. Yes,
You can remember a lot. That's so cool.
The names are large and
yes.
they're hard to remember. They are different from ours.
Yeah.
This is the Mobeta Nursery School in Sarakunda. The exciting kindergarten is playing host to the summer camp volunteers, enjoying unique moments on their first journey to the Gambia.
Jamarek. My name is Lara, and I'm here in Gambia for the second time. Last year I was for the first time, and I fell in love in Gambia, so I came back. It was a little bit strange and a little bit crazy, but I love it. It's amazing. The kids are great. They love to sing. They love to dance, and actually, everyone, every single Gambian is so nice, and they are all just talking with you, and they are dancing and singing, and that's what I like. I read a little bit. I know a few words. Like I know wow, it's yes, and dedet, it's no, and mangi tuda lara. Sometimes it's a little bit too hot, but it's okay. We try to teach them like to write numbers and letters and how to spell their names or anything else, and calculate. And there's also always we have to sing and dance. So
It's really fun.
yes, we try to make it fun. Yeah.
Ursha, my name is Ursha. I wanted to come to Africa for a long time, so I signed up for a summer camp because I studied primary school teaching, so I wanted to see how schools look here in Africa and what children are like. Yes, I love children. All the children in my class are my special friends. Everyone is special, yes. No, I wasn't. It was so thrilling, and everybody was so happy that we came, and we are still at the beginning of our summer camp, so I think we will have a lot of more beautiful experiences to come.
Their first impression is unquestionable delight. Bringing camping trips like this together is Musa Fal's specialty.
My name is Musa Fall, founder of Charity Pal de Gambia, and then founder of Travel as a Volunteer. Yeah, basically we are more into education. As you can see, we are bringing volunteers from Slovenia to come to Gambia and to help our kids and make some cultural exchange. So this Travel as a Volunteer was founded in 2012. So since then we have been doing a lot of things for the past years. My charity is it's helping over 200 Gambian kids are receiving school fees and monthly allowances, and moreover we are helping local schools within our community.
It's also helping to promote tourism.
Of course yes, because hence I have the chance to travel in many countries in Europe. I've been selling Destination Gambia in my own way, because Gambia is our country. Of course yes, because there is a project called Say Hello to the World. This project is in Slovenia, but it's a project whereby they link with so many schools around the world. And this school called Mobeta is the first school in Africa to have a link with that NGO. What they normally do is they normally call via Skype. Kids all over Europe can call Mobeta and talk with the kids, have fun, and then exchange some lessons via Skype. And we have been doing this for the past years.
It's a globalized system.
Yeah, it's just it's like putting Gambia in the world map. Yeah, the first year I started this summer camp, it was 4 years ago. It was around 5, 6, 7, or 8, or 10 volunteers. But every year the number is doubling. So it means the people love what they are seeing. And then when I'm in Slovenia, we do normally have some seminars with the volunteers, going down schools, universities, to show them what Gambia has to offer. Show them our schools, show them our tourist destinations, show them the love, what Gambia has to offer. Yeah, actually, first and foremost is schooling. From Monday to Friday, we do come to school from 9 o'clock to 1 p.m. And then we go home, relax, meeting, and talk about the day. So during the weekends, meaning from Saturday and Sunday, we do go to excursions or sightseeing. We do start from Kachikali, Monkey Park, Makasotu, South Gambia means Tanje, Tigering, Katong. And then to my area, North Bank, from Barra, where you have the Fort Bullen, James Island, Jufre. And then we proceed to Makati, to see the hippos and stuff. So it's not all about schooling, it's schooling and sightseeing.
The camping manager who travels the world, selling the exclusive Smiling Coast brand, has discovered a perfect way to make summer camping vacations a reality for European students looking to go the extra mile in the green season.
Yeah, the head teacher of More Better Low Nursery and the Low Basic School. Yeah, this school is here in Dipakunda, located in it is a nursery school and primary school. We have both nursery and primary school. We have almost 250 kids, 250 children here in this school. Yeah, it's both nursery and the primary school. Yes, they are our friends. They come here early at this time, summertime in July.
My name is Nusha. I didn't have any expectations, so I'm a dental hygiene. I feel amazing. The things are different, very different than in Slovenia.
So be the change you wanna see in the world. So be the change you wanna see. So be the change you wanna see in the world. So be Be the change you wanna see. We have to add some African rhythm, I think.